At CDSS Systems and Software, we mostly focus on our product line of automatic wire crimpers, but we also do a lot of custom automation when requested. In this particular case, I was dropping in on a customer as I was in his area anyway, and taking a look at one of his crimping machines. After we were done with that, he also pointed me out to another process he was running that was taking up a lot of his time. They take these little brass ferrules, about 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch and 20 thou wall, and they would squish them just a little bit, one at a time, in a kick press as part of their assembly process for some antennas they were building. As you can, they run through 3,000 of these a week. So as you can imagine, it's taken up a lot of somebody's time to be putting them in one at a time into a kick press and squashing them. He asked me if it would be possible to build a machine to basically just do that part of the job for him, and I said yes. Especially if you don't mind me using some surplus parts and a little bit of cosmetic imperfection, I can do it for you a little bit cheaper. So this is one we did. This is one we did here, and had a lot of fun with. So basically, the ferrules run up this bowl, get singulated by this little sheet metal piece right here, so that they come up one at a time. Drop into this mouse hole that angles them in and drops them into the press unit. They get stored here, and then we just have a fairly good sized pneumatic cylinder with an adjustable depth set by the back here that is just going to run through them, squash them, dump them into this tray. And this machine at the rate that it's running, which reasonably slow rate, but something that's nice and safe, is going to run out a day's worth of parts for them in about 20 minutes. So we pretty much just have it set up to go, and I'm going to go ahead and start it on the PLC. You can see the parts run up to the mouse hole, and then as soon as they get in there and trigger that optical detector that the magazine is full, the press starts running. Like I said, it's on a 2 1/4 second cycle time, which we could speed up, but honestly it runs so much faster than what they're doing, and automatically, that it's perfectly good at that rate. Why mess with something that's going to work and potentially cause a jam by trying to run it too fast? But again, very simple, easy, fun, easy little project that we did. Because we know all the tips and tricks for getting these sorts of parts to feed, and this is going to free up one of his employees that'll be on there all day, every day, to do something else and actually be making him some money rather than costing him.